Sam Wolf, amateur beekeeper. I'm going to show you today how to manage your swarm of one of your hives. So if your hive starts to swarm, this is kind of what to do if you know nothing about beekeeping, which I don't know much about it. That's why I'm emphasizing that this is an amateur's approach. All right, so I have a swarm occurring right now. I'm going to take you right over to it. So I got to think of swarm situation. Yep, there they are. They're all in my yard. Think twice about being a beekeeper. Or maybe they're after my drone who's landing itself over there. Anyway, I'm going to throw a sheet over and see if I can quell this. Interesting, they're all landing on my redwood tree. Bees decided to swarm today. I put a sheet over the hive. Not sure if that was the right thing to do or not. They're going to clump over here, so when they do that, I'll see if I can capture them. And once they ball up, I'll capture them and see if I can start another hive. They've obviously overpopulated. This is what it's like to be inside a swarm, by the way. My entire tree is coated with these bees. Probably gonna get stung in a second. Yep, they're dinging me. Think twice before becoming a beekeeper. It's fun, but you got to deal with this stuff sometimes. Yeah, they're going to coat this up completely. Alright, so we've got to calm down a little bit. They calm down for the most part with the sheet over. I think these are regular bees returning, so I'm going to go ahead and take the sheet off now. See what happens. See if they've calmed down. I think they look more just like they're working now, so they actually have bees going into the hive. So I think these are guys that didn't swarm. So I think we're good there. I was clustered. They've pretty much taken over the entire tree. You can see here. We start all the way up. I got bees all the way up this tree. So I don't know where the queen is quite yet. So I'm going to let these guys cluster a little more and hopefully get on where I can actually recapture them a little easier. Give them maybe another hour or so to cluster. Here's one doing a waggle dance. This is interesting. He's doing a waggle dance, telling where a potential hive might be. So the scouts come back and then they do a waggle dance, which tells the angle and the distance of where a potential hive might be. Interesting. He's got to take a box, and I just kind of cut this out. And I'm trying to wrap this around the tree so that I can get as many as possible. What I'm going to try and do, try and bend the tree over. Hopefully they'll just all kind of fall in there, and I'll take the rest with this bee brush. Just kind of brush them in. That's what they go. All right, so here it goes. Push that into the tree. Hopefully if I got the queen in there, they'll start going in there. I gotta get my tape. So now hopefully there's a little hole over here to kind of make it where they can find each other. Yeah, you can see them now. They're actually walking inside, trying to sting me a little bit at the same time. But that means I probably got her in there. And that's a good sign, folks. All right. All right, so the first attempt did not work. I'm going to try this again. Do it this way. Yeah, I'm just going to do this. Let's see if this works. Ready? Mm-hmm. Ready for bee mania? Mm-hmm.
does not feel good.
Oh God, they're hitting the shit out of me.
Am I allowed to move?
No. That might have done it, folks. We'll see. I'm gonna watch for a little while. I'm gonna turn the bee box so they can climb in. They're all look like they're marching in. So we'll see how that works. Hopefully we got them. Otherwise we'll try for a third try. Crawling in. Haven't seen any fly out yet. That's good. Only crawling in. Go on in, girls. Make yourself at home. All going in. On the ground. They're working their way in. Isn't that cool? So I think I finally got her. There you go. I love my bees. Good girls. Good girls. You pet them. Just let them know they're loved. You can see these guys fanning. They're fanning the pheromones. Awesome. Not many more. They're still heading in. You can see the little pack is getting smaller. So now, as you can see, about 99% of that swarm is now in the box. And that is success. And they're all in there successfully now. They like their new house. That's success right there.